Good morning, guys. Dealing with pimples and blackheads can feel like a never-ending battle. One day your skin looks fine, and the next morning, boom, a new breakout, a new blackhead, a new reason to stare at the mirror wondering, what am I doing wrong? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you're not alone. Because I've been there, frustrated, confused, trying product after product, hoping for that magical solution that finally gives clear, smooth skin. But here's what I eventually realized. Clear skin isn't about using more products, white routine, the right routine. And today, I'm going to walk you through my complete deep cleansing facial routine. The one that helped me regain control over stubborn pimples and blackheads. Understanding the real problem. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what's actually happening on your skin. Most breakouts don't appear randomly. They're usually caused by clogged pores, a mixture of excess oil, dead skin cells, dirt, and bacteria. When this buildup gets trapped inside your pores, that's when blackheads and pimples begin to form. So instead of attacking acne aggressively, we focus on something smarter. Deep, balanced cleansing. Step 1. Double cleansing. Everything begins here, because cleansing isn't just about washing your face. It's about properly removing layers. First, an oil-based cleanser. Applied on dry skin, this melts away. Sunscreen, makeup, excess sebum massage gently for about 60 seconds. Let the cleanser dissolve the impurities, not your skin barrier. Then add water, allow it to emulsify, and rinse. Next, a gentle foaming cleanser. This cleans the actual skin, removing remaining debris deep inside the pores. Soft, circular motions. Lukewarm water, no harsh scrubbing, because irritation equals more breakouts. Step 2. Balancing with toner. Now that the skin is clean, we rebalance. An alcohol-free toner helps restore your skin's natural pH. It also prepares your skin to absorb treatments more effectively. Think of it as resetting the canvas. Light, gentle sweeps across the skin. No rubbing, no aggression. Step 3. Chemical exfoliation. This is where the magic begins. Instead of harsh scrubs, we use chemical exfoliants. Two key players. A. Work on the surface. BH. Work inside pores. AHAs. And dullness. BHAs. Especially salicylic acid. Help dissolve oil and unclog pores, which makes them incredibly effective for blackheads. Use 2-3 times per week. More is not better. Over-exfoliation damages your barrier, and damaged skin breaks out more. Optional, gentle steaming. Once a week, a short steaming session, about 3 to 5 minutes. This softens pore congestion, making extractions and masks more effective, but always keep distance. Steam should relax your skin, not burn it. Step 4. Treatment mask. Now we customize. If your skin feels oily and congested, clay masks work beautifully. They help absorb excess oil and impurities. If your skin feels stressed or irritated, hydrating masks calm and soothe. Leave on for 10 minutes. Relax. Let your skin breathe, then rinse with cool water. Step 5. Targeted treatments. Grease clean skin is ready for precision. This is where serums shine. Niacinamide for oil regulation, redness reduction, barrier support, salicylic acid for active breakouts, spot treatments for stubborn pimples, small amounts, focused application, because skincare is about balance, not overload. Steps. Moisturizer. Even acne-prone skin needs hydration. Skipping moisturizer often makes oiliness worse. Your skin compensates by producing more oil. Choose lightweight, non-comedogenic formulas. Hydration keeps your barrier healthy. Healthy barrier equals calmer skin. Step 7. Sunscreen. Daytime only. If it's daytime, never skip SPF, especially when using exfoliants, because unprotected skin develops dark spots, uneven tone. Slower healing sunscreen isn't cosmetic, it's protective therapy. The real secret, consistency. No routine works overnight. Skincare is a long-term relationship. Daily basics, Dankiri's tan, toner, serum, moisturizer, weekly boosters, exfoliation, masks. Steaming consistency beats intensity every single time. Common mistakes to avoid. Save your skin from disaster. Avoid over-exfoliating, harsh scrubs, constant product switching, picking at pimples, because most acne damage is self-inflicted. Patience heals skin, aggression inflames it. Lifestyle matters too. Your skin reflects your habits. Small changes make huge differences. Clean pillowcases, less face touching, stress management. Adequate hydration. Skincare doesn't stop at products. Final thoughts. After following this routine consistently, my skin didn't become perfect, but it became predictable, calmer, clearer, healthier. And honestly, that's the real goal. Not flawless skin, but controlled, balanced skin. Thanks for watching.